Yeah, that's what's up. All right, just so I have it in the video, Jeff right here. This guy came all the way from Florida to come do a hike that he's never done with people that he's never seen or met, and he's never really hiked before.
Oh shit.
So he has gold balls. Gold ball stature.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I expect a trophy when we get back.
All right, we'll have this in the credits for you. A trophy right at the end of the credits coming for you right now.